If this isn't the weirdest wave that you've ever seen surf before. We are at the most beautiful beach island in the world. Check it out. And of course, we're gonna have to go for a swim to check it out.
Do you prefer shoes?
Yeah, in my bag. You wanna grab it? Jimmy's trying to get me to go surfing. Oh God. How crazy is this? So sick. Oh, Kylie missed it. Next one! Here he goes. Woo! Yeah, I know. I'm just getting the shot. Can you surf here? This is the question. Let's go give it a go. We are literally in what you might call paradise. It's stunning. And what better excuse to chase a novelty wave than being in paradise? Oh, I think there's one coming. Come! Best wave of my life. Best wave of my life. Oh, Jakey's on here. Yoo-hoo. Jakey's gonna give it a go against the rock. How's the colours? Look at this. Crazy. Yeah. Yes. Oh, there's the spot. Look at that right. That's proper rippable. This is so fun. Oh, proper roll in. Oh, shit. Oh, there's more! Look, how sick is it? What? If this isn't the weirdest wave that you've ever seen surf before, I don't know what is. Look how close you have to go in order to catch it. It's creepy. Might do it, close to the rock though. Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, Tom. Woo! Tommy just got a sick one. Oh, this thing's a weapon! Oh! So funny. Is Kylie deep on the peak? What's he got? Oh! Barrel, rock barrel! I don't know if it counts. Oh, it's a bomb!
Yes!
I'm on. I am on. Yep! Oh, look at this thing. Yeah, I wasn't going that way, I was fighting it. I think I'm going to start paying him to do POVs and I just upload them. How about that? You be the surfer. No. Kyle's got to get the anchor off. We've got to put him to work, he hasn't worked much today.